Hi, I'm Kevin Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society, and I want to welcome you to our 14th annual European and Global Conference here in Amsterdam. And thank you very much for joining us for our program and also for downloading the conference app. The conference app has a lot of great information for you. It's got information about our speakers, it's got a full agenda, information about the hotel and other things to do in and around Amsterdam, and it also has all of the presentations from the conference day on Friday. That means that all four keynotes, Javier Ante-Callerston, Frederick Duhamel, Sonia Biliati, and Herman Simon, their presentations will be available for you right here on the app, as well as all of the breakout speakers. And the PPS team and I are very, very excited about this event, so please make sure to reach out to us with questions and comments about our conference coming up, and you can use the hashtag PPSAMS18 for your comments, for social media posts, for pictures, for questions, and we are very, very excited about our program, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So thank you for joining us for our conference, and I look forward to seeing you soon.